Hello everyone, here's a Harbor Breeze Armitage ceiling fan. This is a the 5-blade Armitage. It's a 52-inch one. I'm gonna tell you a little story. This fan was actually in the new guest room since the addition was built in 2013. When we built this addition, we put this fan, because we bought this like around 2013. And this was taken down like around Christmas time, Christmas season. Well, this is up for like a week or two, and I'm here decided the light is like too dim and stuff, very not bright enough, so we replaced it with a Hunter Walden, and I had to. We were originally going to take it back to Lowe's, but I paid for it, and I done extra stuff so I can keep it forever. And also at Lowe's, they have a brushed nickel one like this. If I ever find a brushed nickel one at Habitat or at Lowe's, I'll probably get one. I don't know yet, because there are some other vintage fans like Hampton Bay, Newtone, Harbor Breeze, Crest, Hampton Bay, Hunter, Casablanca, Fasco, SMC, Minka Air, Craft Made, and all that. Let me give you a view of it. Because we finished this edition like around December. Let's see. The blades. I'll show you here. Alright, I'm gonna give you now a demonstration. Anyways, here's the light. Turn it off. I'll turn the fan low. I want to tell you a little story about that. I have some bad news about Washington D.C. Well, the field trip. Well, we didn't go because our state had a stoppage. It was originally on the 27th of February, but sadly we canceled it. So, sorry about that. Just want to tell you a little information about it. I was actually a little excited about going to film some others and learn about other stuff like that. Well, we're first going to the United States Museum in Dulles. And then we'll go down to the nation's capital. Well, not the nation's capital, but Washington, District, Columbia. So sadly, that didn't happen. And then in May, we're gonna be going to Hershey Park, and they have like tons of fans. Yeah, look at a lot of Deetons there too. I've not been there, but I looked at Google Maps and it looks like there was some Dayton's on some stations where you have to go for some rides. So I might have to put like together like a slideshow, like a whole bucket of it, like some other channels do, like hello YouTube, this is gonna be some ceiling events at Hershey Park. Or alright. I'll turn to medium. Forgot to show you the hardware, so I'll show you at the end. Or I'm sorry, before I reverse it. Here's medium. I'll be getting a new iPad tomorrow. I might make a video of these two high-intensity huggers, so I'm gonna wait until we get the glass on there, the globe for the Hampton Bay hugger, which is this right here. It's kind of dirty, but I'm probably gonna have to clean it because there's some there's some like little dirt in there, little pieces in there. I'll turn to high. By the way, show the Harbor Breeze. You actually have it on both sides. I don't want to get in the fan. The Harbor Breeze is like right there somewhere, like around the side. I can see it, but it's there. I might do a few Siri episodes, maybe tomorrow. I'm not sure yet, so we need to set it up and stuff. No, I'll think about it. Alright, I'll go ahead and turn it to medium, and I'm gonna turn the light on. Kind of at this with the hint of it huggers a little bit, but the only difference is a couple differences. Well, the housing, the harbor position of my fan has like rounded vents. The hint of it huggers from my ceiling, it's like vertical. Alright, I'm gonna reverse it. Yeah, stop. to medium. I'm gonna turn the high. I'll turn it off. Alright, there you go. That's my Breeze Armitage Fire Blade ceiling fan. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe down on my channel. And thanks for watching.